It's here guys, my first ever gaming slash workstation PC guys. It's here. Finally, after waiting for weeks and weeks, it's finally arrived. So I'm super excited to unbox this PC and talk about the specs. But before I show you the build itself, I want to show you everything that I got, basically the specs of this PC. So we got the boxes of every product that's inside the PC itself. In this top box right here, I think it's for like warranty or something, I'm not too sure. So I'm just gonna be showing you all the boxes. I don't know if I should have built this PC myself or get a pre-build, but I just decided to get a pre-build with no Windows 11 installed. I will install Windows 11 by myself because I know how to do that and I know how to build a PC, but I hadn't done it in a while, so I didn't want to like take the risk, so I decided to go with the pre-build. Enough the chit chat, and yeah, let me just show you what's inside this box, man. If you're wondering where I got this PC from, I got it from a company called Wootware. It's in Somerset West here in Cape Town, but I'm not sure if there's another one in South Africa. I think there must be one in around Joburg or something. This is everything I got. I'm gonna start off with the fans. These are 120mm fans from Cooler Master. I got two of these because the PC case came with only two fans inside, so that's not good enough airflow for me, so I needed some extra fans. And these from Cooler Master look clean, and I didn't go for any RGB for the fans, at least. Secondly, we got the Wi-Fi antennas. This is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna at the same time, if I'm not mistaken. It's from a company called QD. This company right here, a company called QD, is the AX5400 Wi-Fi 6E Bluetooth 5.2 PCIe adapter, which is for the PC as well. The reason why I got this was because the motherboard that I got didn't support Wi-Fi, even though it's DDR5. It's surprising, and for the price range as well, I think I should have had Wi-Fi, but I'm going to show you the motherboard that I got later on. Now moving on to the power supply, this is the MSI Mag A650BN 65 watt power supply from MSI, and from the recommendations and reviews I've been seeing, this is a powerhouse of a power supply, and from my build you're not going to need anything more than 650 watts, so it's pretty good for me and I have no complaints at all. And I'm sure you've noticed by now that most of the components in this build are black, which is my favorite color, and it makes the build look cleaner in my opinion. I don't know what you guys think about a black build, but it looks clean in my opinion. For the cooling fan, I went for the ID Cooling Frozen A620 Black. This is a twin tower CPU cooler with two 120mm fans, and you'll notice that it's black once again. I'm sure you're now convinced that black is my favorite color. If not, I gotta show you more. Let's go. Next, we got the Gigabyte motherboard, which supports DDR5 RAM, and it supports up until 13 gen CPUs, which is really nice to have for future upgrades probably. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a black CPU, but the CPU I went with was the i5-12400F from Intel, of course, which is a really good mid-range CPU, and it has up to 6 cores, which is perfect for me. I don't need anything more than that for now. I think my future upgrade will be probably a i7 13 gen CPU. I think that would be amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What CPU should I get next? Now finally, this is the most exciting part of a PC build. In my opinion, the RTX 4060 is a graphics card that I went with, which is amazing. It got 8 gigs of VRAM, and it supports frame generation, AI accelerated performance, DLSS, which is amazing as well. So I'm looking forward to using all those features when I'm gaming, when I'm video editing. This is going to be a beast of a graphics card, and I'm pretty happy, and I thank God for everything that is done, and obviously you guys for supporting and watching my videos so that I'm able to buy a PC for myself and invest in my company or brand, I would say. So yeah, as you'll notice, this is also a black GPU from Zotac Gaming, which is really nice, and I love the black build. It's got some RGB, Now it's time for the elephant in the room, guys. We've all been waiting for this moment, the PC build itself. So the first thing you notice when you open the box, you will get these testing results from Wootware, which is amazing, to show you all the tests that they did, and you pay extra for this. I think it's called stress testing, if I'm not mistaken. They do that for you for a certain fee. I think it's like 500 Rand. In dollars, that would be like 25 bucks, which is not expensive at all. It's quite cheap. And now I'm gonna struggle with this. Let's see. This right here is the build. Kind of struggled, but yeah, we are getting there. Let's go. Let's go. Standing wrong. Ugh. Whoa, this thing feels heavy, bro. Okay, so this reads, please remove all pink bubble wrap inside the PC before starting it. That's good that they put that there, because I didn't, as you know. So we're gonna be doing that right now. Just lift off this plastic. Come on. This is super clean, man. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. And let me just put this PC like this, and then yeah, we're just gonna have to remove the satisfying peel. We can't miss that. And we're gonna lift this lever up here, and then that opens, which is super clean and convenient, guys. Let me know what you guys think about that. That's a blessing, man, to have this. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, man. Hope everything's gonna start up perfectly. No lagging, no nothing. The PC build looks really clean. I can't complain about anything so far. So there's the graphics card. Here we got the cooling fans, and here we got the exhaust fans, I suppose, and these are the intake fans, which is really nice, and I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. What a day. Let's go. I don't know if I must keep the plastic inside. Should I remove it or not? I don't know. Just let me know in the comments as well. If there's any PC experts there. Will the plastic cause any damage to my PC? I don't know. I think it's time for me to show you guys every angle of this PC and rate it out of 10, man. I really like it. It looks clean in my opinion. Let's get it, man. Lovely stuff. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching once again. If you enjoyed this PC unboxing video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, man. We almost hit 1,000 subscribers and I appreciate your support, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.